Hey everyone, today we're going to be staying at the Lowe's Sapphire Falls Resort. Haven't stayed here since 2017, so I can't wait to check this one out, revisit this resort that I haven't stayed at in quite a while. Just, review the food, review the room, give you guys an in-depth tour of our stay. Look at this awesome view from the parking garage. You got Fun Spot to the left, got Volcano Bay to the right, Cabana Bay across the street. Wow. The Universal Aventura Resort, Universal's Cabana Bay. This is the carport for Lowe's Sapphire Falls. Here we go. Got a nice little welcome mat here. Enter the resort. Got a beautiful view of Islands of Adventure directly ahead. You can see the lighthouse, Hulk's vertical loop, Dr. Doom's Fear Fall. Wow. And the theming, it's not theming, it's just decoration, a little atmosphere. Smells like perfume in here, as usual. Got the planning center. You're able to purchase your tickets there, which is pretty neat. Got a restaurant, which we're going to check out in a little bit. The Universal Studio store. You can pick up some different merchandise that you aren't able to even pick up in the parks. It's a pretty neat little gift shop. You got your classic Harry Potter section, classic Jurassic Park section, Jurassic World, Despicable Me stuff, Simpsons merchandise, your typical Universal Studios and tropical theme stuff. If you forget your bathing suit, they always got you covered. Silicone earplugs, because why not? Towels, basically anything your heart desires is here in this gift shop, which is pretty cool. They also have the New Dutch Trading Co., which is a quick service restaurant. Charlotte apparently is getting food, which is quite nice. Look at those donuts. I actually believe these might be Voodoo Donuts. I think they come from CityWalk. There's a Voodoo Donuts there, and I think they serve them in here, which is pretty neat. This is one thing Universal hasn't won up on Disney: freestyle machines. Disney does not have freestyle machines, or at least the resorts in the parks that I've been to so far. I have not seen a Coca-Cola freestyle machine. Maybe I'm not looking hard enough, but that is a pretty neat feature. My mom's winking at me. As we're making our way over to the room, just enjoying this view. It is quite awesome. Got all the palm trees, tropical plants. I believe that is a coconut palm. Hold on. Just a little note for those who are not as addicted to palm trees as I am. Coconut palms are extremely rare for Central Florida, especially near Orlando. You will almost never see these here. Normally you have to go down south. I mean, there's plenty in like Fort Lauderdale, Miami area, over in Naples, but here, you hardly see these guys. So the fact that Universal is taking in the effort to keep these guys looking as good as they are, despite the cold climate that Orlando actually receives, is just really awesome. Shows their effort in keeping things neat. Quite fancy elevator. We are staying on the 3rd floor in the guest house 2, which is pretty nifty. Getting off the elevator, you got a pretty cool view of the pool. All right, 2335. First breath into the new hotel room. Haven't stepped in here yet. They got the TVs on. Wow. Pretty clean in here. This is actually bigger than the room we had at Sapphire Falls. The room at Sapphire Falls was extremely small. It was, I'd say where that door is, it probably cut off like about there and just was over. And I don't think it was this wide either. I don't remember having this much open space. So this is actually really nice. Check out the view. We got a nice view with the palm trees and Dudley Do-Right's Falls, which is really awesome. Haven't actually even been on that yet. Hopefully they don't get rid of that like they did Splash Mountain. Splash Mountain so dirty, the best ride of all time. But it's all right. As long as we still got Dudley Do-Right's, we're good. We're good. If they get rid of that, I'm complimentary Fiji water for. Oh, it's not complimentary. They charge you $7.50 for that. How awesome is that? Got a nice little French roast, some decaf green tea. I do believe this is complimentary. I don't believe the Fiji water is, so just beware of that. Apparently, there's a Jurassic World live tour produced by the Field Entertainment, whatever that means. Nice, comfortable beds, very squishy. Got the pillows, the chairs, the desk, and the bathroom. Nice. Got the big sliding door without a lock on it, of course, because why would you need a lock? Open the shower door, turn the lights on. Unfortunately, the bathtub is not separate from the toilet, which is a little inconvenient when you stay with more than 2 people, or more than one person, honestly, because you're not able to use the bathroom at the same time as someone else is showering. So it gets a little inconvenient, and you have to deal with the smell of the feces while you're showering, which isn't always fun. Skincare products. hand and body wash, moisturizer, face bar. I believe, oh no, they don't actually have the amenities tied down, which is nice. You can just kind of steal those, put them in your backpack, take them home. Just keep doing that. They'll keep refilling them. I do know that they do not skimp out. Take a look at the closet. Got the safe, hangers, iron. Got your refrigerator. Oop, not fully stocked. Sorry, Nate. Yeah, that's the room. Unfortunately, there is no balcony, which is always nice to have. Take a walk out, drink your morning coffee, but it is a relatively large room, which we didn't have last year, so can't really complain about our offering this time. This is the fire plan, so we don't burn to death. We're making our way over to the Universal CityWalk. Maybe gonna grab a beverage, snack. I don't know, we'll see. This walk outside the Royal Pacific is one of my favorites on Universal property. It's so quiet, so peaceful. You got the beautiful palm trees and tropical plants, and then you just hear Velocicoaster and Hulk just fly by in the distance. Welcome to Universal CityWalk here in Orlando. Got Islands of Adventure to the left, Universal Studios to the right, along with the Chocolate Emporium, Hard Rock Cafe. This is gonna be quite the enjoyable evening. See the Universal Studios globe in the distance. To the epic center of awesome. We just did a nice little loop around CityWalk, walked through the Universal Studios store, checked out the different souvenir offerings. Didn't pick anything up though. We do have a dinner here at the Sapphire Falls, or no, it's actually at the Royal Pacific Resort in like an hour. So there's really not a lot of reason to buy any food, and none of the souvenirs really stuck out to us. Well, we made our way over to the Unify sponsored dinner, which will be available at 6 o'clock. It's kind of like my dad's business thing, so we get to take advantage of the free food. Let you guys know how Royal Pacific's food tastes. This isn't, unfortunately, Sapphire Falls food, even though this is a Sapphire Falls review. It is still an in-depth review of Lowe's food, I suppose, so I'll let you know how it is. We found a lovely seat with a beautiful view. Got some Coca-Colas.
So many people to talk to.
So many lovely faces to talk to. I'm happy right here. Looks like over here they got some pita, some chicken kebab with pickled onions, radishes, shredded lettuce, beef kebab. Wow. Got some fried shrimp as well. Oh, wow. That is quite good. Got 2 bao buns. We got a pork and a pickled vegetable one. We kind of got a lot of different kinds of food. We got the pork buns. We got the skewers. What'd you think?
Chicken kebabs were pretty good, I'll admit.
Nice. You gotta try the pita still, but hey, glad you liked it. Have to say, haven't been overly impressed with the food. Tried their flatbread as well. Didn't even bother filming it because it was just so mediocre, I have to say.
Honestly, I do think that the bread could be a lot better because I think it's the base of what we're building off of with a lot of what they're having offered here.
Yeah.
I think if you don't have a solid base, then that's going to ruin the whole experience.
It's a great point. Spoken by the words of a wise man. That's going to do it here from Universal Sapphire's Lowe's Resort. Thank you guys so much for watching. Sorry, it was kind of a shorter vlog. I was just trying to show you guys around, show you the room, most importantly, the lobby and the amenities that this resort offers. So I think I accomplished that pretty well. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.